name is Ranya, and today's video I want to show you how I created this look for you. This is so pretty. This is like a Barbie pink with a little purple and this wing liner. I hope you enjoy it. Please subscribe to my channel, like my video, comment down below what videos you want me to do next, or what you want to think of this video. Give me questions, anything. I really like how this look came out, so if you could watch it, thank you. Hi, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be using this e.l.f. concealer in deep cinnamon to coat my eyes, and then I'm going to be blending it out with a beauty blend. So I'm going to be using this Beauty Creations Beautiful palette, and I'm going to be taking the positivity. So I'm taking the positivity color, and I'm going to be packing that on the corner of my eyes and also on the other side of my eyes, and that's going to be the base color of my transition. So I'll continue blending that color up. It's not as bright as I thought it would be, but it's still a beautiful color, and I'm still blending it out. Now I'm going to be taking this crushing color. It's a beautiful pink, and I'm going to be blending that on top of that light pink that I use, and I'm going to blend it until I have the design that I want. And so I'll just keep blending. You always make sure you have to blend, so everything comes together nice and smooth. So I did it on the other side of my other eye. So I'm just blending it out, making sure everything looks good as I like it. So I'm taking again the positivity, and I'm going over that to make it brighter. But I guess I just took, so I'm taking this purple in a different palette and going over top of that pink that I did, because it wasn't as bright as I wanted to. So I'm just blending that together, making everything look gorgeous. This purple is so pretty. I hope everybody use this palette. It's so gorgeous, very pigmented. So I'm blending everything out together to make it flawless and smooth, and I'm still blending. So I'm taking my concealer and my concealer brush and cutting the crease. Comment down below if you're good at cutting the crease. I know in the beginning of my makeup career I didn't know how to cut the crease, but I just kept practicing and practicing until I got it, and I love doing it. I love doing any type of cut crease. So I'm still cutting the crease, making it look sharp as I can, and then I'm gonna blend it out onto my lids, and then I'm just gonna blend it with my blending brush. So I'm still trying to cut that crease. Girl, didn't you just cut the crease already? So I'm looking at myself. So I'm blending it out right now to make sure it's smooth and it's not too shiny. So I'm doing that on the other eye as well. So I'm cutting the crease. Make sure they're both even. Still cutting the crease. Girl, your blood, your So I'm blending it out, making sure the line is crisp and sharp, so everything looks good. So once I got the design, I just blend everything out onto my lid, and I use my blending brush and just dab it in together, make sure it's even. So I'm taking the pink, and then I'm gonna go in the corner of my eye, and I'm gonna blend it, make a U shape under my eyebrows. So I'm gonna make sure I got the desired length, and size that I want. So I'm just blending it out, making a U shape under my eyebrows. So I'm going to continue doing that. So I'm going to do it on the other eye as well. Make sure they're both the same shape and size. So I'll continue blending that beautiful pink in. Make sure it's a U shape kind of. Not all the way U shape, but U shape. So I'm going to take this purple and I'm going to go on top of that pink that I did. And I'm going to blend everything together. So it's like uniform and everything looks good. It's going to be just like I did the front of my eye. I'm just doing the same color as the back. And I'm blending everything together. Make sure everything looks flawless and smooth. And it's blended in well. So now I'm going to take my concealer and my brush and I'm going to cut the crease again to make it sharp. Because I want like 2 cut crease in one eye and the other eye as well. And I'm making sure that crease, that end of my color is cut really nice. So I'm just blending everything out. Make sure it's sharp and straight as well. Look how that's looking. So beautiful. So now I'm going to do the same on the other eye. Making sure it's nice and straight and it's even. And it's nice and clean and sharp. Like you're cutting a knife. But you're just cutting a crease. So now I'm going to do a little part above there. So it's like a line and then it's a cut crease. So I'm taking my Garnier micellar water to clean up my eyes. And I'm taking off the concealer off my lid and stuff. So I'm making sure that it's all gone and sharp and clean where I cut my crease. So everything is good. So I'm taking off everything off my eyelid. Because I'm not putting no more shadow on my lid. So now I'm taking my black liner and I'm going to do a wing liner first. Comment down below if you're good at wing liner or you just don't like wing liners, who like wing liners. Because I used to hate doing wing lines because it's so hard to do because it never come out correct. But I just kept practicing and practicing. So comment down below. So I'm doing the other eye as well. I think my favorite eye to do is my right eye than my left. Because it's easier for me to do. So making sure it's sharp. Now I'm gonna take my black shadow and I'm gonna pack it on top of the wing liner that I did to make it matte, because I don't like that shiny look. So I want to make it matte, so I'm patting it on top of it on both eyes to make it matted. So I'm just gonna continue putting that on top of it. Now I'm taking my Beauty Creation pink liner, Neo, and I'm gonna put that on top of the black liner that I did. And look at that pink, it's so gorgeous. And I'm gonna continue doing that wing liner. You're gonna see how it comes out so beautiful. So I'm just taking my time because I don't want to rush this. This is the hardest part for me for a makeup, is doing a wing liner. Look at that. Look at that. It's so beautiful with that black on the bottom and that pink on top. It makes it pop out. So now I'm doing the other eye as well. And I'm gonna continue making that wing liner. Take your time. You don't need to rush. Just keep taking your time, go one line at a time, one line at a time until you get the desired look that you want. And that's what I'm doing here. I'm taking my time. So I'm just cleaning it up with the micellar water so everything is sharp and clean and it's not looking a hot mess. So I'm going to take my concealer and I'm going to go on the bottom and clean that up, make that line straight and clean like I did the micellar water on top. So I'm just using my concealer to make it clean with a sharp line. So I'm going to continue doing that on the same eye. I did my rest of my face off camera, so I'm sorry about that. I will be back. I hope you love this look.
So this is the final result.
So stay tuned.
I hope you enjoy this beautiful look that I created. It just came on the top of my head. I hope you like it. Please stay tuned to my next video, which I upload every Friday. So I hope you like it. I really love this look. I love how it came out. It's so beautiful. So subscribe to my channel, like my video, share my video, comment down below what you want me to do next. Thank you for stopping by. Bye.